See, this is the issue. There is a crack on this headlight which has happened spontaneously and extending gradually. It's in this Y shape.
Hello. Phone connected.
Good morning people, good morning YouTube. Dr. Shekhar here, welcome back to my channel. Today is 21st September, the time is around 10 in the morning. I am in Yeshwantpur. I am going to Aryan Suzuki dealership in Damlur Road, Bangalore. The reason is, as I showed you, there is a crack in the headlight, and that crack has happened spontaneously around 2.5 or 3 months back, and it's extending gradually day by day. It's in the shape of letter Y, and I am not the only one who is facing this issue. There are other two rider buddies of mine who are in our GSXS 750 group who have got the same issue. And why I am going there, because I got a call from their dealership around 3-4 days back telling that a person who is in charge of Suzuki motorcycles for entire Karnataka is coming to inspect that crack and give his opinion about it, whether it can be claimed under warranty or not. To get this call, I have done a lot of work, guys. So this is Suzuki Aryan or Aryan Suzuki, whatever you call it. Namaskara, Dr. Chandrasekhar Chengappa. Yeah. Do you speak Kannada or do you speak English?
Sir?
Do you speak Kannada or do you speak English?
No, it's
Any language? I didn't get your name, sir.
Chandrasekhar. Me also.
You also Chandrasekhar. Wow. Awesome, no? So you are in charge of
Director of Service, Bangalore.
service for entire Bangalore city,
Bangalore, Mysore,
almost Karnataka.
almost after.
See, I'll just show you the issue. This is the issue, the crack in the headlight, which is there in the Y shape. So what is happening is, whenever I wash it or whenever I ride it in the rain, the entire headlight gets fogged up, and it will take around a day or two to get cleared. And this crack I noticed around 2.5-3 months back when I was washing, frankly speaking. So as soon as I noticed this crack, we have an international community, GSX 750 forum is there in Facebook. I'm a member of it. We usually keep chatting about the bike issues, about the upgrades, about the other things and all. So while discussion, I came to know that this kind of crack is happening for so many other owners also abroad. And I have proof for that, and they had also put their pics and all in that forum, in that discussion. And they have spoken to the dealership over there, and the dealership had spoken with the Suzuki people over there, and they accepted that it's a design flaw. That's why it's happening to so many people, and many of them have got the thing replaced under warranty. Thing is, I just can't replace this. The entire headlight assembly has to be replaced, I guess, which costs around 13,000 rupees. That's what I got the quotation from Mr. Shivanand. And unfortunately, the other two people, we have another WhatsApp group, the local WhatsApp group about this GSX 750 people, owners only. In that forum, other two people have also faced the same issue. And after knowing all these things, I raised the complaint to the Aryan Suzuki. So initially what they did was, I spoke to Shivanand, he asked me to come down. I came down, he took the pics, of that headlight, he took the pics of chassis number, engine number, everything, and he said that I'll get back to you, I'll raise this issue to the concerned officials in Suzuki, I'll get back to you. And probably it took around a week or two time. Then I called him up. He said that no sir, they're not acknowledging that it's the issue of the bike. It's probably happened because of your mistake only. And outrightly I can tell you that it's not happened because of any stone hit while riding in the highway or while riding in the city or because of any accidents. Why I am so adamant about that is, this is a fifth or sixth bike from the past 6 to 7 years what I have owned. Never ever I have faced that issue in any of the bikes. I have put on around 35-40,000 kilometers in those bikes also. And I have owned around 4 four-wheelers. Never in those 4-wheeler also had this headlight crack issue after driving for so many 1,000 kilometers. Presently, I am using XUV 500. I have ridden it around 1.5 lakh kilometers from past 6.5 years. I have not faced any issue of the headlight crack and all, in spite of driving so many kilometers. So I am of opinion that it's not basically because of any stone coming hitting at the headlight. Why? Because I have so many other people who are facing the same issues. So what I did was, since the response was like this from the Aryan Suzuki, I mailed to Suzuki India. So they said, they called me up and they said that the Aryan Suzuki dealership will again contact me. So what happened was, nobody contacted me from the dealership. Again, I spoke to Shivanand. So what Shivanand did was, since he is a good friend of mine, he said that I'll put you on a conference call with one person by name Dr. Satyamurthy. I think he is in charge of the service.
He is area manager.
Area manager, whatever. So I spoke to him. Initially, he said that no, it is not because of the Suzuki motorcycle problem. It's basically because of your fault only. Then I said, hold on, I'll just share the discussions, whatever I had in the Facebook forum. We just go through the discussion. The same discussion links were shared with the mail also for Suzuki India. Then only they responded to me. So once the links were shared to Satyamurthy, he said, I'll get back to you, sir, which never happened. So again, I put a email, and this time I put an email also. I tweeted also to Suzuki India. Then 3-4 days later, Mr. Shivanand called me up and said that a meeting has been arranged with Dr. Chandrasekhar, with Chandrasekhar sir, who is the in charge of Karnataka. Please come down, we'll inspect the vehicle. So this is a brief history about the problem which I have been facing from past 2.5 to 3 months. And similar to me, one other person is there by name Karthik. He has also bought a bike around 1.5 years back only. He is also facing the same issue, same exact Y-shape only. I can show you the pics. One more person is there in our WhatsApp group. He is also facing the same issue, exactly Y-shape. Around 8,000 kilometers driven. And nothing modification has been done for the headlight from my side.
How many guys are in the group, sir?
I think we might be around 15, 16.
So how many customers are having this?
Out of the group, me and the other person in Bangalore by name Karthik, he works in Irish Consulate. He is not in the group, but he is also having the same issue.
No, that's what. How many?
Three people.
customers.
Three customers.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು? 46.
From this Bangalore group, I'm telling, I don't know about the other groups in other cities and all.
He is one of the dealer. We have one more dealer in Bangalore.
Yeah, Aerolux, I know that person.
So, but they are also selling the model. They are also selling almost ಒಂದು 60 ಗಾಡಿ 60-70 ಗಾಡಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? 60-70 ಗಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
So, Suzuki Island. See, this is one more person's same Y-shape in the center of the headlight. His name is Neeraj Jesse. I think he might have also mailed and tweeted, I think. This discussion we had around
Whatever
12th September.
things we agree. See, Suzuki have one clear-cut policy. If we identify any technical issue with our product, how many years old also, we used to inform the customer if it is our mistake, even if it is warranty, we inform the customers that come, the product have some technical issue, we replace it under warranty. The voluntary calls, even if you say, see some of the 1 year before, 2 year before, whatever model, even 750, 650, 7, Axis.
I know, I have heard other companies also doing the same thing.
So, no. I don't know about the other manufacturers.
I have got Mahindra also. Mahindra also does that.
That's what I'm saying.
I had Honda also. Honda also does that.
Recently started, but in history, if you take, we are the first company to initiate this
Okay.
in 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler, because we don't want to blame the customer for our issues. But that is one part. Second part, if the issue is not belongs to our side, We
Mhm.
clearly communicate to the customer
Mhm.
saying that this issue is not belongs to us. It's not manufacturing issue. That's what we identified. Even this case, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 18 August. So
So it's been 2 years.
And that's what. Immediately 1 year after, we received 1 or 2 cases not in Bangalore, some other area.
Issues of what?
Same
headlight crack.
So what our team did, they took the assembly to SMC. They used to investigate there only. Whatever technical issues, if any failure comes, new product failure, or if it is not a new failure. So
You mean to
immediately-
say one of the customers' headlight assembly was taken and inspected?
Yeah. So that
This happened how many days back?
I think 1.5 years before.
As soon as the bike was launched?
No. The bike is almost 2 years over. No.
That's what, around 6 months after launch you had this
Maybe
problem.
1 year.
Okay.
Maybe 1 year. I don't know the exactly date. So that time what our technical team identified that due to some external issue it has happened, not due to our manufacturing defect. That's what they communicated with us. What is their suspect is due to some polishing or other material this might have happened. That is their suspect. Because they cannot say this is the only reason failure for that. Okay, that is what our observation. Even if you take, if it is a product failure, almost 70-80 vehicles we sold from only Bangalore. We have from Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai. We have many customers, we sold many vehicles through those dealers only. But we haven't received such concerns from many customers. So 1 or 2 cases what you are saying, 4 customers in your row. I have checked with Relax sold vehicle, not even single case reported.
Shall I tell you the reason why the complaints are not coming out much? This Neeraj person, until I spoke the problem to him, he was thinking that it might have happened because of his fault. And he had kept quiet for some months also without informing this crack. When I came out this, no, a crack has happened to me also. I am a member of International Forum. They're facing the same issue. Then said, yes, a crack has happened to me also. Then he posted the pic to me.
Sir, but end of the day vehicle is serviced to here only. They are not doing outside.
Might be.
He's having contact with everyone.
Might be. Probably next service he might come and complain for him. We
That
don't know.
See,
We don't
that I
know.
cannot say.
No, that even that I also can't say. He might come and complain later. Probably service is not due now. So he might have thought that no, anyway next service ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Correct. See.
ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವೋ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್.
ನಮಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ಗೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮಗೂ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಶಿಂಗ್, ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್.
I agree. I'm not saying you have done. 100% I'm not saying that.
That's what I'll be clear from my side.
Yeah.
And regular servicing has been done, and whatever wash we do it here, the same thing has been done. Other than that, nothing extra has been done. Some modification I have done by taking parts from Suzuki company only. This windscreen, that cowl and all. This stabilizer I've installed by myself.
That is
Steering
necessary.
stabilizer.
That is necessary. Okay.
So other than that, nothing has been tampered in the vehicle.
Sir, but what I'm not at all saying that since you have fitted this, because of this is happening.
Might come, see, the fogging here, which is still persisting here, the fogging.
ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ನಂತರನು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ
ಇವತ್ತು ಫೋರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ತೋರಿಸ್ಲ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
ನೋಡಿದಿರ ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಯು ಕೆ ಇಂದನೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟು ಈ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ನಾವು ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, kindly if you have any issues please replace it under warranty, or if you want replace it without any further investigation, replace it to all customers. That circular we used to get for all customers. not even one product.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಜನರಲೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೀಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ದಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡರ್ ವಾರಂಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಒಪ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
I think last time ನೀವು ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹಾಂ
ಸರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ
ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಓರಿಂಗ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಡ್ ಇನ್ 750 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಪಂಪ್ ಓರಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಈ ಸಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಓರಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಮ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್. ಸೊ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ 750 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೂ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಟ್. DM16 ಹಾಂ
ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು,
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್
ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಸುಜುಕಿ ಪೋಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೇಮ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪೂರ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರು ಡೀಲರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Most of problem in Suzuki.
Social media I cannot control.
I know you can't control. This is social media is the one platform where we can connect with each other abroad and we can come to know problem is there or not.
Sir, I am not denying at all. My simple query is, you go to Suzuki website, whatever circular, whatever we are.
No, I know, sir. That I understood, Chandrasekhar.
Everything will
no,
be there.
that I understood. That they'll send a circular. They'll accept the issue and all.
Yes.
What I am trying to tell is, in spite of so many people facing the problem, why it's not accepted? And so many dealers have replaced it under warranty and they are telling it outrightly.
Sir, any dealer, any communication from customer, sorry, company, I also can say, sir.
Okay, fine. You do one thing. You just ask your Suzuki people to contact this Poland Suzuki and ask him whether it's been replaced or not. Confirm it, and I'll show one more. So one more country. That one more country also I'll show. Makowski just got it replaced today under warranty. Strange thing is that one of the biggest dealers in the country claims that it is the first time it has happened to somebody. Yeah, they all say the same. They must think we are stupid or that we live in a cave. Yeah, might be. This is one discussion. 2017 also is facing problem. Someone else who had this issue with the headlight glass. No stone, it just keep cracking more and more. Hope you can see the cracks. I have the same problem. Mine is from Mexico. Apparently, if you go to the dealership, they will cover. It is a part of warranty. Mexico country, Poland country, 2 countries I told you. I just had mine crack and had one ordered, waiting on it now. This is the 3rd event like this I have seen. Mine is 2018 model. Couldn't find a non-OEM that could fit, so it's running on OEM only.
I agree. I'm not denying it. Whatever.
So what will you do now, sir Chandrasekhar?
I cannot comment on social media issues.
No, you can't comment. I'm just showing you the evidence. Now you come out with the you come out with the solution now.
I agree. If you will do one thing, I'll send this headlight to head office.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let them investigate and reply to us. Okay.
Yeah.
Then accordingly we'll decide.
Done. We'll do that. The same thing was done in the month of June, I think, after the lockdown when I came to meet him. He took the pics, he took the chassis and everything. He sent it to the head office. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
For your satisfaction, I remove this. Send this assembly to head office.
Okay.
Let them send to SMC.
Okay.
They check it.
Okay.
Let them give a report. That I can ask.
Okay. So till then the bike will be in the dealership.
No. Okay, I'll ask Shiva, discuss with dealer VIP. How to
Discuss with?
His owner.
Okay.
Because I cannot give free of cost. Whatever things we are.
No, I know. You have to. It has to come through the company only.
I will
clear
bill
about
only
it.
against payment. Not even single net. I will not make warranty, whatever it is. So they have to wait. Once the decision comes, then only they have to offer on warranty or payment. That they will take it call.
Fine.
Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll ask them to replace it. Whatever you and dealer decide. Okay. I'll send to head office. Let them
examine
investigate it. They will give the feedback. No issue for me.
Fine.
That I can do it.
Yeah, we will do that.
I'm
At least something is better than nothing.
That's what I'm here to clear your doubt. Okay, if you are suspecting, I have to clear it out. Whether it is a genuine failure or some other issues. I have to clear to you.
I understood.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಶಿವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಬಾಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅದೇನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಪಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಮೌಂಟು ಓಕೆನಾ some it will take some time sir because it has to go to
Let it take around 2-3 months also, not an issue.
ಸರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಅದೇನಂತ ಮಾಡಿ
ನಾನು ಬಂದಲ್ಲೇ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್
ಆಯಿತು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಾಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಓಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬರಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಓಕೆನಾ ಬರ್ರಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್
Hey, thanks a lot, Chandrasekhar.
Nice meeting you.
No, you think this will be better.
Nice meeting. Thank you. Good. You are maintaining very well.
For this meeting, you know how many mails, how many calls I have done, Chandrasekhar?
Openly saying, last 23rd of March.
Mm-hmm. When the lockdown started.
Yes. We are not come out. So
No, what-
English you only have come.
Whatever.
No.
Somehow.
They are saying that whatever things they are the warriors. Okay.
I don't know why so much delay in dealing issue. I have experience with Wondo also and with Triumph also.
No. If
Somehow-
it is a normal day, we used to visit dealership every 10 days once.
Okay.
Because of this pandemic, we are not asked to come out.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing else. It is not sorry for it.
I'll just show
delay
you.
happened from our end. Sorry for it.
7th June, July, August, September, three and a half months I have struggled. From 7th June I have been reporting, 7th June I have been trying to contact Suzuki, dealers, everyone. Anyway, something happened now. I am really happy for that. At least something happened. Something is cooking up now. Something is moving. Let's see what will happen.
See, because of this pandemic only, we are not asked to come out.
Sir, pandemic will be there, sir. It's a part and parcel of life.
Then now
It should not,
to understand. No? It is not
because we have been working all through the pandemic. We are not
You
taking a
guys- you guys- we have to appreciate.
single day leave also.
You guys, we have to appreciate because you guys are in
Front
We
line.
are not. We doesn't know actually. Sorry for it, sir. Sorry for the delay.
No, it leaves a bad taste for the next super big purchase in Suzuki. You know that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Done. Thanks a
Sorry
lot.
for the delay.
Hey, it's okay. But something happened now at the last.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy for that.
I'll definitely try my level best.
Yeah, please.
Sure. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Parla Shivanand. Sigana. Bye. Thank you. So that was the discussion what I had with Mr. Chandrasekhar. He is the in charge for Suzuki service all over Karnataka. So what he said was they'll remove this headlight assembly and they'll send it to Japan for investigation whether any design flaw is there or not, whether it's their fault or whether it's my fault. So they investigate, it seems. So after the investigation they'll give a report. If at all it's their fault, they're going to replace the assembly, it seems. Otherwise I have to bear on my own. So what the Suzuki Aryan will do is they'll get the part first from Japan, the headlight assembly. They'll fix one headlight assembly and then they'll take this headlight assembly and send it to Japan. So to get that headlight assembly they'll take probably 2 months. For that the owner has to approve that. Let's see, I'll get the information another probably 4-5 days or maximum a week, I guess. So that's it from my side, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, ride safe and keep smiling. Bye bye.